This week's module asks the question, how can I be a confident speaker? This is a great question because most people are concerned with, how can I control the nerves? Don't worry, that's also a good question, and we'll talk about that in this week's module. But I want you to move past this idea of, oh, I'm always going to be nervous when I give a speech. You might be nervous when you give a speech. Most people are. But you don't have to equate that to being bad at public speaking. It is perfectly normal to be nervous. However, it's also perfectly normal for nervous people to be well prepared, to practice their delivery, and to deliver a pretty good speech and look confident while doing it. You see, looking confident doesn't mean you actually have to be confident. It helps if you are. Looking confident really in public speaking means, how do I control the nerves so people don't know that I'm nervous? Those are two slightly different things, right? And so think about your body posture, planting your feet, not moving back and forth when you're delivering. Think about keeping your hands still unless you want to gesture for emphasis, right? There's a fine line between talking too much with your hands and then, of course, using gestures appropriately. So find that line. That's a good thing to study and to discover. Confident people, confident speakers look you in the eye, so practice making eye contact with your audience with each speech that you give in this class. Review some of the delivery techniques that we talked about in the delivery module. Those are things that you want to practice, and you can practice them just like you practice the content of your speech. And that's the final thing that confident people do. They're very well prepared. They have this almost calm, quiet assuredness that I know what I'm going to say, I have a plan, and I'm going to stick with it. Don't let fear control how you do in this class. Let the knowledge that you have all of the skills and abilities to give a good speech, let that lead you through this journey. Confidence is not a mystical, magical illusion that's somewhere out there. It's actually something that you can practice being just by practicing good delivery techniques and being well prepared. So I hope this module is helpful to you this week. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. No speech is perfect. No person is perfect. Give yourself some grace. It's okay if you mess up or stumble over a word. It's even okay if you forget a little section of your speech. After all, the audience probably won't know it anyway. But focus on the positives and keep working on the negatives, and pretty soon they'll become positives too.